every spouse getting separated or divorced just wants the process to end and move on with their life. However, you can only end the separation or divorce process, in most cases, with a negotiated family law or divorce settlement. Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so already. I will discuss some additional key points in this video you need to know to negotiate an effective family law or divorce settlement with your former spouse in Ontario. Number 4, know your bottom line. You need to determine what your key goals are before you start negotiating a family law settlement or separation agreement with your former spouse. In other words, you must know your bottom line on what you can live with and without in trying to resolve your family law issues in your separation or divorce. It doesn't make any sense to push for something when you're not likely to get it based on Ontario family law principles as applied to your case and the advice of your family lawyer. You have to be reasonable with your goals, or you will be sorely disappointed and end up with a really big legal bill. Number 5, negotiate in a business-like manner. You cannot possibly negotiate a successful family law settlement when you're acting on your emotions. You need to negotiate in a business-like manner to reach a fair and reasonable settlement with your former spouse. This is really important. I know it's certainly hard not to be emotional during the separation and divorce process. Again, that's completely understandable. However, you have to deal with your emotions in an effective way during the negotiating stages of your family law case so that you can actually get a successful family law settlement or separation agreement that protects your family law rights and lets you move on with your life. I often recommend personal counseling when you're having a difficult time dealing with the emotional issues arising from your separation or divorce. A good personal counselor can really help you cope with this really tough time in your life. You should also have a solid support network of friends and family members for moral and emotional support. Again, that's really important as well. Number 6, be flexible in the negotiating process. You certainly need to set goals for your family law settlement or separation agreement and know your bottom line to reach a settlement as well. However, you should be flexible in the negotiating process. Actually listen to what your former spouse is saying to you about what they want and why. Discuss various options with your family lawyer on how to settle your legal issues with your spouse. You can actually become quite creative, for example, in setting up a successful parenting plan that works really well for your kids, you, and your former spouse. You can usually be flexible as well in dealing with many of the financial issues, such as how to pay off certain debts and when these debts are paid off, and the issue of spousal support. I will discuss some additional important ways to negotiate a family law or divorce settlement in Ontario in the next video. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, feel free to contact me on my Facebook law office page, that's O'Malley Family Law, or call me 905-434-8837 and I'll point you in the right direction. Please make sure to share this important information and video with your friends, family members, and coworkers.